Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to update Margex application on your mobile device. To update to the latest version of Margex so that you can use the Margex app with bug fixes and performance improvement, first of all, go ahead and make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, go ahead and launch open your Google Play Store or your App Store. Now, in the search box at the top, type in Margex. Find this Margex application and look for an update button if available on the page. If you see the update button, tap on it immediately to download the latest version of Margex. If you don't see it on the screen, it means that you are currently running on the latest version of Margex itself. There is no need to be updating right away, but if you ever see the update button, you should press on it to download the latest version of Margex. That is how you easily update Margex application on your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.